Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sanjay Das. Today I am going to provide you MCQ of waves in pipes and string. Those MCQ which I am providing you is based on new syllabus 2078. If you are new in my channel, then please like, subscribe and press on the bell icon for getting notification of new videos. A great scientist, Albert Einstein, has told, intellectuals solve problem, geniuses prevent them. Question number 1. Neglecting its effect, find the length of open organ pipe which emits a fundamental note of frequency 256 Hz. The speed of sound in air equals to 330 meter per second. The given options are A 0.645 meter, B 1 meter, C 0.555 meter, D 1.5 meter. The correct answer is A 0.645 meter. Solution: speed of sound in air B equals to 330 meter per second. A fundamental frequency F equals to 256 Hz. Length of open pipe L equals to what? We know F equals to V by 2L, where L equals to V by 2F equals to the value of V equals to 330 by 2 into 256 equals to 0.645 meter. Question number 2. With increase in temperature, the frequency of sound from an open pipe, option A, change erratically, B, increases, C, decreases, D, remain unchanged. The correct answer is B, increases. Hint: for open pipe F equals to V by 2L, velocity increases with increase in temperature, so frequency also increases. Question number 3. As an empty vessel is filled with water, its frequency, option A, increases, B, decreases, C, remain unchanged, D, none of these. The correct answer is A, increases. Hint: a vessel behaves as a closed organ pipe for which F equals to V by 4L. As water is being filled up, its length decreases and so frequency increases. Question number 4. An organ pipe closed at one end has a frequency of, if its length is doubled and radius halved, its frequency will become nearly, option A, F by 3, B, F by 2, C, F, D, 2F. The correct answer is B, F by 2. Hint: F equals to V by 4L for closed pipe. This relation shows that frequency does not depend on radius of pipe but inversely proportional to its length. So, if length is doubled, frequency also become halved. Question number 5. A closed organ pipe and open organ pipe have their first overtones identical in frequency. Their lengths are in the ratio, option A, 1:2, B, 2:3, C, 3:4, D, 4:5. The correct answer is C, 3:4. Question number 6. In resonating air column, the waves produced are, option A, stationary longitudinal wave, B, stationary transverse wave, C, transverse progressive wave, D, longitudinal progressive waves. The correct answer is A, stationary longitudinal waves. Question number 7. An empty vessel is filled with water. Its frequency, option A, increases, B, decreases, C, unchanged, D, none of these. The correct answer is A, increases. Question number 8. The end correction of a resonance tube is 1 cm. Then the diameter of the tube is nearly, option A, 2 cm, B, 3.3 cm, C, 1.65 cm, D, 6.6 cm. The correct answer is B, 3.3 cm. Question number 9. The frequency of a vibrating wire is F. When the area of the cross section of a wire is halved and the tension doubled, the frequency becomes, option A, F, B, 2F, C, 3F, D, 5F. The correct answer is B, 2F. Question number 10. A sonometer wire vibrates with a frequency F if it is replaced by another wire of 3 times the diameter while the tension and the other parameters remain constant. The frequency of vibration of the wire will be, option A, 9F, B, 3F, C, F by root under 3, D, F by root under 5. The correct answer is C, F by root under 3. Question number 11. The velocity of waves in a string fixed at both ends is 2 meters per second. The string forms a standing wave with nodes 5 cm apart. The frequency of vibration of the string in hertz is option A 40, B 30, C 20, D 10. The correct answer is C 20. Question number 12. When the prongs of the turning fork are cut, its frequency option A decreases, B increases, C remain unchanged, D may increase or decrease. The correct answer is B increases. Question number 13. When one of the prongs of the turning fork is broken and the turning fork is vibrated, its vibration option A are maintained equally well, B are maintained better, C initially intensity increases but its vibration soon die out, D initially intensity decreases but its vibration are maintained for a longer time. The correct answer is C. Initially intensity increases but its vibration soon die out. Question number 14. A string of mass 0.2 kg per meter has length 0.6 meter. It is fixed at both ends and stretched such that if has a tension of 80 Newton, the string vibrates in 3 segments with amplitude 0.5 cm. The amplitude of transverse velocity is option A 9.42 meter per second, B 3.14 meter per second, C 1.57 meter per second, D 6.28 meter per second. The correct answer is C 1.57 meter per second. Question number 15. A stretched string of length L fixed at both ends can sustain a stationary wave of wavelength lambda given by option A lambda equals to 2Ln, B lambda equals to 2L by n, C lambda equals to L square by 2n, D lambda equals to n square by 2L. The correct answer is B lambda equals to 2L by n.